Hi, this is Kurt with Travers Tool Company. What we have for you today is an OTMT Speed Lathe, and we're going to uncrate it and see what's inside. We're just going to take these screws out and see if that's all we need to do. So now that we got all the screws out, let's see if this top just pops right off. It does. So this is just sitting here precariously. Be careful when you uncrate it that it doesn't fall out and get broken. Alright, so let's see what's inside this package. This is the foot pedal. There we go. That will connect to the lathe. Here's the power cord laying on the side of the machine. We'll get to that later. And I'm going to take the plastic off of this first. Go. Now there are some blocks with screws in them that secure it to the crate. So we're just going to take the screws out. So let's make some room for this. And I grabbed along with it the instruction sheet. So it looks like I didn't really need to take the screws off with the blocks on them, but it did make it a little bit easier. So this was super easy to assemble, just plugging in the two cords. And we got that done, so tune in for the next part when we're actually going to run it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.